Hi, this video is to show you how to use brainfuse for the course. Brainfuse is an online tutorial service that you are welcome to use at any time. I do believe their hours are 24/7. So if you will go to student resources and tutoring information, and then click on brainfuse account for free online tutoring. Here's how to register for it. Here's your GHC login for brainfuse and how to get the app. So just how to register, you can click there. And there is a video that shows you when you get there, you click login, and then you sign up like you do for any other thing online. And then you have to make sure that you put in your GHC email address, because that is how you'll get the free tutoring. And so let's go to that, which was the next page, I believe. Yep. So it'll come out to GHC. You can see I'm at brainfuse.com, GHC home, my account. And what you're going to do is click math and click statistics and click connect. When you get here, then you'll sign up, and if you'll go through that process, and after you get your information in, you should be able to connect with a live tutor. So once you get that account set up, everything should be great. Just reach back out to me if you have any questions.